Hey guys, this is Alan from Classic Financial. How are you today? For today, before I start the video for today, there is something that I want to share with you. Because you know we have been posting daily trading video on for a year now. We're still looking for a better video explanation and then the better way to show you trading strategies so that you can use the strategy that we teach you to make profit. That's why we actually decided to make a new video series. But for now it's still in preparation, before we can get this ready it might take a little bit of time, but then we would like to focus on the next video series and then just to bring out the best for you. During the preparation and before the new video series go on live, we will actually stop the daily update on the YouTube channel for a while. We will try to bring out the best on the next series, and then we will try to have a better strategy for you, a better explanation for you, so that you can use what we teach you to have a better result on your trade. But then you can still go through our the old videos on our YouTube channel. So if you do have any question on any of the video, feel free to put a comment down there. We're still checking the comments every day, and then we will try to answer your question, and then we'll try to explain it to you if you do have any question on any of the particular strategy. Anyway, let's get to the topics for today. So for today is it's the Forex Corner. It's been a while, we will try to introduce you another strategy for you to trade in the Forex market. In the previous Forex Corner, I think we talked about the simple moving average. So for today, on the new strategy that we're gonna introduce you today, we're still gonna use the simple moving average, but then we will add in one more technical indicators to improve the winning percentage of the strategy. Let's take a look at the strategy. Since one of the technical indicators that we are using is the simple moving average, I just want to refresh your memory a bit on the simple moving average and how you should use the simple moving average. We start from the beginning. The simple moving average is an indicator for you to identify a overall direction of the market. Because you know in the first market the price moves all the time, and then it goes up and goes down, and then that's why we will be using the simple moving average to get a better grip on the overall direction of the market. Because you know in first trading the most important thing for you, the most crucial factor to make a profit trade is to identify a overall direction of the market and you go with the direction. So that's the way to make profit in first trading. And there are a lot of different indicators out there, but then I still think that the simple moving average is the most efficient to identify an overall direction, and then it's the easiest to use. Now we'll try to take a look at the few points of the simple moving average. Okay, first thing first, the most use of the simple moving average is to identify the overall direction of the market. The overall direction of the price movement is what we call a trend. There's two types of trends, uptrend and downtrend. In a uptrend, price goes up overall, and in a downtrend, price goes down overall. And to identify a trend and trend direction, then we will be using the yellow simple moving average, which is a long-term simple moving average here. Let's take a look at the uptrend first. To identify a uptrend, we will be looking at the yellow simple moving average. When the yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick and is heading upward, then it means that the price is goes up overall. So meaning the market now, the price now is in an uptrend. So during an uptrend, because the price goes up overall, then we will be looking for timing to place buy orders. So that's the uptrend. So next we move on to downtrend. So downtrend, so we'll be using the yellow simple moving average as well. So when the yellow simple moving average is on top of the candlestick and heading downwards, that means that the price goes down overall. So so this is a downtrend. So during downtrend, we will, well, because the price goes down overall, so we will look for timing to place sell orders. So well, that's how you identify a trend using the long-term yellow simple moving average. So it's pretty easy. So next we'll move on to the purchase timing when using the simple moving average. So well, the purchase timing, we will be using the green and red simple moving average. So by using these two simple moving average, we will be able to identify whether we should place a buy order, sell order, or when to place orders. So these all questions can be identified by using the red and green simple moving average. So first, we take a look at when the market is in an uptrend. So now you see in here the yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick and is heading upward. So now we know that the price is heading up overall. So during uptrend, we will be looking at the green and red simple moving average. If the red simple moving average is on top, and we'll place buy orders. That's pretty simple. So next we move on to downtrend. So during downtrend, price goes down overall. So in this one here, so if we see that the yellow simple moving average is above the candlestick and is heading downward. So now we can identify the price is in a downtrend. So during a downtrend, we will place a sell order at when the red line is at the bottom. So well, this is the strategy that we talked about in the previous Forex Corner. So and for today, as I mentioned, in order for us to improve the winning percentage of the of our trades, and we will be adding in one more technical indicator. So we will try to take a look at the indicator for today. Okay, so well, what I can tell you now is that the other technical indicator that we're gonna use in this strategy is gonna be the stochastic. So because you know when price is in a trend market, it has to the particular direction overall, but then because the price moves all the time, so then it still moves up and down during a trend market. So it is the most asked question where to place a trade, when would be the better timing to place a trade. So this is why we will be using the stochastic, because the stochastic is going to tell us a better timing to place a trade, and then we will combine that information with the simple moving average, and then to have a better analyze on the price movement, and then to have a better chance to end the trade in profit. So first we'll take a look at the stochastic. Okay, so well, now we are looking at the stochastic. So the trick for you to use the stochastic is to pay attention to the well, you see here the dashed line on top and below inside the stochastic. So these two dashed lines are actually called the overbought and oversold. So well, the dashed line on top is the overbought. So overbought means that the price is now being overbought. So that has a chance for the price to bounce back up. So and the dashed line at the bottom is called the oversold. So oversold means that the price is now being oversold, and then there is a chance for the price to bounce back up. So This is why we know that now if the candlestick lines, the green and red one, is above the overbought or below the oversold, that means that the price is not stable. So based from that, now we know that the better timing for us to place a trade is when the stochastic lines, the red and green one, are between the overbought and oversold. So when these two lines are between the overbought and oversold, that is gonna be a better timing for us to place our trade. Okay, so next we will take a look at the purchase timing when we use the simple moving average and stochastic together. So first we take a look at how to place a buy order. So first, if we use the simple moving average and stochastic together, then we'll be using the yellow simple moving average to identify a trend direction first. So in here we see the yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick and is heading upwards. So uptrend is confirmed in this case here. So price goes up overall in an uptrend. Then next we move on to the green and red simple moving average. So I need them to cross over and I need the red one to go on top. Then next, after I confirm these two signals from the simple moving average, then I will move on to the stochastic. So I need the stochastic to be below the overbought and to be between the overbought and oversold. And then I need these two lines, the green and red stochastic lines, heads upward. So if they are between the overbought and oversold and heads upward, then we will place a buy order. So this is timing for you to place a buy order. So next we move on to the timing for you to place a sell order. So similar to that, to the one that I explained just now. So first, we will confirm a trend direction using the yellow simple moving average. So in here we see that the yellow simple moving average is above the candlestick and is heading downwards. So now we know that the price is in a downtrend. Then next we move on to the green and red simple moving average. I need them to cross over, and then I need the red one to go to the bottom. And after I confirm this from the simple moving average, then I will move on to the stochastic. And I need the stochastic, the two lines, the green and red one, to be between the overbought and oversold and to head downward. So after I confirm these three signals from both of the indicator, then I will place a sell order. So this is how you use this strategy, how you use the simple moving average and stochastic together. So next we will go to the platform and then we'll set up the indicators and then we'll try to place a trade just to show you how this strategy works in a moving price. Okay, so now we are looking at the MetaTrader 4, the MT4 platform. So first, we will want to set up the the order for me to set up the indicator is on my preference. So you can switch them around. You can set up the simple moving average first, and then you set up the stochastic, or you do it the other way around. You set up the stochastic first, and then you set up the simple moving average. Then it's all up to you. But for me, I will set up the simple moving average first. So I will quickly set it up because I explained it in the previous video. So if you want to find out more about how to set up the simple moving average, just check out my previous video on simple moving average, which I posted a link in the description. So check it out if you don't know the settings on the simple moving average. So now I will quickly just set it up. So I go to Insert, Indicator, Trend, then I find the moving average here. So I just click on this one, and I will set up the long-term simple moving average first, which is a 100 period simple moving average, and I set it to yellow. So after I get this done, I just click on OK, and now I have a long-term yellow simple moving average. And now I just do the same thing for the other two simple moving average. So I go to insert again, indicator, trend, simple moving average, and I click on simple moving average. And for the red simple moving average is a short-term simple moving average, which is a 10-period simple moving average. And the color I changed to red, and well, orange, red. So whichever is fine. So I'll just click on OK. So now I have a short-term simple moving average here. Then next I set up the green one. So again, I just do the same thing again. I go to insert, indicator, trend, moving average. So just click on moving average. Okay, click on moving average. Then this one is a 20-period moving average. So the color is green. So now I got this setting all here. So 20 period, and then the color is green, and I just click on OK. So now I have the simple moving average setup. And next is our indicator for today, which is the stochastic. So to set up the stochastic is pretty simple. So it's the same. We go to insert, then we go to indicator, and we go to oscillator. So under oscillator we see stochastic. So we just click on stochastic, just click on it. And in this one here, it's all on default. So at this moment we don't need to change anything. So just click on OK. So now we click on OK. So now we see that the stochastic is now appear on our chart. So we see the overbought and oversold. So this is the stochastic. So well, next I will try to use this strategy to place a trade. Okay, so well, now we are looking at the platform. So I will open a trade here first, and I will explain it to you more. So I place a buy order here. Okay, place the buy order. So again, first we will confirm the trend direction using the simple moving average. So if you still remember, to confirm the trend direction, we'll be using the yellow simple moving average, which is the long-term simple moving average. So in here we see that the yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick, and from this point here is heading upwards. So I know that in here the price from this point here has been developed into a uptrend. So during uptrend, I will look for coming to place a buy order. So after I confirm the trend direction, I move on to the green and red simple moving average. So these two simple moving average cross over at this point here. Then but the red one is now on top. Then I have two signals from the simple moving average. Then next I move on to the stochastic. So now I see the stochastic in here is well, it's between the overbought and oversold. So it's a safe area for me to place the trade. So in order to enhance and improve the winning percentage, then I need these two stochastic lines to head upwards. So now these two lines are between overbought and oversold, and it's heading upward. So now that's why I placed it a buy order here. So it's a really simple strategy. So all you need to look at is the direction of the lines and the relationship between the lines. So it's pretty simple. So that's actually one of the easiest strategies that you can find out there for forex trading. So make sure to give it a try, and I'm pretty sure you should get a hand or get an idea on it pretty quick. So well, the trade now is still it's still losing, but I'm pretty sure it will go up because it's an uptrend, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna head to the trend direction sooner or later. So what I'm gonna do here is to leave my position here for a while, and then I will get back to you when this position is turned into profit. So okay, so well, I will fast forward the video here, and then I will see you soon again when the trade is turned into profit. Okay, so well, I'm back. So now you see, if we take a look at the profit here, we see that the trade is already turning into profit. So I can now actually close this trade anywhere I want. So because it's in profit already. So if I close this trade here, this profit amount is gonna be added into my balance. So well, just one thing, try not to be greedy. So just try to well, for me, I like short term. So I like short term trading. So I make a lot of trade in one day, and then every trade doesn't last that long. So for this one here, I think it lasted for an hour. So once the trade turned into profit, and I would try to close my trade, and I just make another trade, and then close it again, make another trade, close it again, and then I make a lot of trade within one day. And okay, so I'm guessing I will close this one here. So okay, $90. So yep, I will close it. Okay, just click on it. Okay, close. So now let's take a look at the account history. So okay, so well, the trade was ending in profit, and then the duration of this trade was lasted just about an hour. So 1 hour, around $100 profit, and then the point is that this strategy is really easy for you to use. So well, just make sure to try it out, and if you do have any question on this strategy, feel free to leave me a comment down there, and I can get back to you or explain it to you more. So well, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching, and again, the daily video update will be stopped for a while because we're gonna prepare for the new video series, and once we get it ready, we'll get back on YouTube, and we'll well, I promise you that the new video is gonna be more it's gonna be a better version, and then we're gonna have a better explanation, and then we'll try to pick up the best strategy to show you. So meanwhile, just wait for a while, and then check out the old videos, and then if you do have any question on the old video, just leave me a comment down there or contact with us, and then I can we will try to answer your question. So okay, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And okay, so yeah, bye.